LEDVANCE will offer a wide variety of luminaires to replace traditional lighting technology in both indoor and outdoor applications. Let's start off with the downlight. In this video, we would like to show you the key features and a short installation video of the new LEDVANCE Downlight. LEDVANCE Downlight luminaires are suitable for various applications. The main areas of applications are public areas, stairways, corridors, foyers, and shops. The LEDVANCE Downlight is a replacement for CFL downlights and offers a quick and simple installation, homogeneous light distribution, and advanced flexibility due to the external driver. It is extremely energy efficient at 100 lumens per watt, and you can save up to 60% of the electrical energy. Additionally, it has a lifetime of up to 30,000 hours. The LEDVANCE Downlight is suitable for two different size cutouts, either 150mm, available with 1310 lumen or 1360 lumens, or a 200mm with 2220 lumens, 2340 lumens, or 2440 lumens. Both sizes are available with 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, or 6500 Kelvin color temperatures. And now, let us demonstrate how easy it is to install this LEDVANCE luminaire. Thank you for your attention, and should you have any questions, please visit www.ledvance.com or contact LEDVANCE customer service or your local wholesaler.